Okay, hello there. I'm going to just walk you through real quickly how you might go about saving your favorites. So follow along. This is the email that you're probably responding to, telling you and reminding you that you need to save your favorites. And I won't go into the why in this message because you can read that. But this is all you do. So you just go to your account and you're going to follow these steps, and this should live link right to your account, your login page. If it doesn't, just log in and you're going to navigate to my favorites, and then all you do is print or save to PDF, and that's this right up here. And notice that you've got both combos and plants. Okay, so these are what are yours are going to be different, right? So this is whatever you have saved, and this is a means of just keeping those for later reference. So you just go right up here and print or save to PDF. And I'm going to choose what I recommend, which is save it as a PDF. Your dialog box here might look a little different. Just because, I'm working on a Mac, you might be on a PC, you might have a different operating system, or your print driver may be different, but you should have something that is very, very similar to this. So I'm going to do, I could just save it as a PDF, or I could print it from here, but I'm going to open it up in preview because I want to show you specifically why I'm suggesting that you do it this way. So here it is. This is a PDF document that I would then save to my desktop wherever I want it. So I'm just going to change the name there, call it My Favorites, and it's just saving to my desktop. So there we go. So I've got it saved. Now the reason I'm suggesting that you save it electronically versus just sending it to your printer is, one, maybe you have a number of them, and printing in color anyways uses a lot of ink. But here's the most important, and that is that the PDF is going to salvage the live links. So later, after we migrate to the new site, these links are still going to work, and so you're going to be able to click right on through and navigate to the combos and plants that you had saved previously. So pretty easy, and I hope that that helps. And again, I'm real sorry that we're not able to offer the favorites feature at this time, and I hope to have it return at some point in the future. So anyways, do reach out if you have any questions at all about how to do this. You can email me, and I will help you the best I can.